What good morning. Back in the heart of Snowdonia. We're in Tanagrisii. Something a bit different today. So the lads are all going off caving. Me, I'm going to have a little mooch around on old Quarry. Let's go and have some fun. The old Quarry chapel. So when the workers had some downtime on a Sunday, there'd be services put on for them to come and attend. There's more of it fallen down since the last time I came, a couple of years ago. It's a shame. And over there, another outhouse. I think that one belonged to the Quarry master, I think they used to call him back in the day. Could be wrong. Do a little bit more research later on. Three of the boys. Like I say, this lot are going caving. It's quite well known around here. So this would have been the quarters for all the next in charge sort of people working back in the day. You had the quarry master over there. That's waterfall. Eerie, very eerie. They filmed Tomb Raider here, you know. Yeah. Wow. And King Arthur, the latest one with Charlie Hunnam, made by Guy Ritchie. That was filmed around here. Look at that. The barracks where the workers would have slept. Very eerie when it's like this. Just the eeriness of it, with the clouds rolled in. See, that chimney's not going to last much longer. not as big as Denoric by any stretch, but still magnificent. To think how busy this place would have been 100 odd years ago. Supplying slate from here and Denoric all around the world. So I'm going to head back down through the quarry now, have another little mooch around. The lads have gone off to do the caving, and it's eerie as hell round here. So that's where they'll exit the cave later on. Just eerie. That's all I can describe it as. The Snowdonia slate trail comes through here. And it's something I would like to try. I think it's something like 86 miles. There's so much amazing stuff on the doorstep in Wales. Well, I was originally going to go up top and do Knicht, but I'm not even going to attempt it in this weather. The wind higher up is just horrific. Just walking in clag. So carry on with this little explore around the quarry. Heading back down towards the master house now. Have a mooch around in there. Another bone. Say another bone. The amount of bones I found on my travels of late. Oh, yeah, something's been killed here. Sheep. I've been the old sheep shearing bit. Yeah, I think this is where they would have sheared the sheep. Shame this place is in such a ruin. Make a bloody good bothy. Wow. So I think the house there now belongs to the local caving club. Or Base Mountain Rescue maybe as well. I don't know. I think it's mainly the caving club. Fair play. It's a pretty spectacular place. That, I believe, is a memorial to all of the fallen workers who died working on the mine.